The graph below is the function f of x. Find the limit as x approaches -3 from the left, from the right, and make a determination about the limit itself at -3. So this notation here with the negative and the positive just mean you're approaching from the left if the superscripted value is negative, and you're approaching from the right if it's a positive. But the limit value is -3, so I'm just going to indicate to myself with this vertical line, x equals -3. Now, as I approach -3 from the left-hand side, so values that are smaller than -3 but getting closer, what happens to the graph and the y is these values go off to positive infinity. So that's the value of the left-handed limit. As we approach the limit value from the right-hand side, these values in the y start approaching negative infinity. They get smaller and smaller without bound. Now, to make a determination about the limit itself, we compare these two values. If they are equal, even if it's both positive infinity or both negative infinity, if they are equal, we go ahead and say that the limit exists and is that particular value. But if they are not equal, which that is the case this time, so they're not equal, then we say the limit does not exist. And the last thing is to determine what the value of f of -3 is. So the function itself at -3, we have this asymptote, and there's no value specified along that asymptote for the function itself to be defined at. So that is an undefined value. So the function itself at -3 also does not exist.